When you hear about ceramic coatings having self-cleaning properties, this is what is meant by that. I've had this hood out here for 2.5 years. I swear to God, 2.5 years. I haven't washed it in almost 1 year. And look at that. I mean, there's some dirt you can barely see, I think, but look at that. The rain almost washes it completely clean, which is amazing. So yeah. Again, this is Cquartz UK 3.0, applied 2.5 years ago. I'm going to do a water test soon, but as you can see, the kind of cleaning properties are still in effect. I mean, this hood looks like it's only been out here a week, and it's been out here for 2.5 years. Pretty fantastic. Before the rain, by the way, it was absolutely filthy and disgusting. The rain literally gave us this result, which is pretty fantastic. This is why people with ceramic coatings, some of them, don't wash their car. They just let the rain take care of it because it almost does. Pretty cool.